This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying hardware and plan compatibility. Make sure your 4G phone supports the carrier bands used in the 5G footprint and that your account allows data access. Next, back up current APN and network profiles so you can revert. Once done, insert the active SIM and reboot into the carrier network. Watch signal indicators and note LTE or 5G icon behavior. This sets a clean baseline, so subsequent tweaks target the right settings without guesswork. Now you configure APN and connection preferences. Enter the carrier APN, MMS settings, and ensure authentication type matches. Make LTE the preferred mode and turn on VoLTE LTE and carrier aggregation when available, because those features stabilize data sessions on non-5G devices. If connectivity fails, switch to manual network selection and try available bands. Lock to an LTE band that reports strong RSRP. Keep testing speed and session persistence after each change so you isolate the most effective setting. Finish by validating sustained performance. Run extended downloads or stream video for 10-20 minutes to check for throttling or drops. If sessions drop, reapply the saved APN or perform a network settings reset. This often clears provisioning conflicts. Make sure to document exact error behavior and, if persistent, contact the carrier to request device whitelisting or a provisioning refresh so unlimited data rules apply. Quick troubleshooting tip: switch airplane mode on then off to force a.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.